Hello everyone. Today we are going to do activity 5, which is based on multiplication. John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, has introduced this method. Here we are going to prepare multiplication calculator, and we are going to multiply 2-digit numbers by 3-digit, 3-digit by 2-digit, 4-digit by 3-digit, or 3-digit by 4 or 5-digit numbers. Means it depends on you. If you want to do 2 by 2 calculation, 3 by 3, 3 by 2, 5 by 1, so it's depend on you. But basically today what we are going to do is we are going to understand how to multiply, and this we are going to learn through an activity. So let's set go. So students, let us understand how to prepare multiplication calculator. For this we require, this is a folder which I have prepared by my own. This is my homemade folder. As you can see, I have mentioned my school name and everything here, multiplication calculator and all this. And these are my cards which I have prepared, which we are going to use while doing multiplication. All these are homemade and very easy to prepare, तो आप भी prepare कर सकते हैं. Now with the help of these cards, we are going to understand how to multiply. As we are going to do multiplication, so in this first card, I have shown the symbol of multiplication here and the numbers from 1 to 9. Here I have written the table of 1. 0, 1 means the values which are written here is tens place and ones place. 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 2, 2, 1 multiplied by 3, 3. So like this, you can see here, these are tables are written here. Table of 2, 2, 1 times 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 written as 1 will be on tens place, so it will be written on upper part and then lower part the unit place. Okay, 12, 1 and 2, 14, 16, 18. Same way, table of 3. So like this I have prepared, and I hope you have understood how to prepare it now. We have written the table up till 9 only, right? Not 10. 1 to 9. So like this you have to prepare the card, and let's start how to do multiplication. Take a writing pad and a paper you can take, and a pencil or color, whatever you like for doing calculation. Let's start with a simple calculation first. I am taking 3-digit number 1, 2, 3, and I am going to multiply with this with 1 digit. Okay. So here which numbers we have used? 1, 2, 3 and 3. So let us see here. I am going to remove the cards, these extra cards which I don't require right now. Now you can see here. So as we required here 1, 2 and 3 and 3. So I have taken only 1, 2 and 3 cards. Let's start. Let's do the multiplication. So here it's written 123 multiplied by 3. 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 3. So just see the sequence here. We have to use these box. Let me show you here. The boxes are 03, 06, 09. 03, 06 and 09. Now what we have to do is, we have to add them diagonally. 9, 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 3, 3. The sum comes out to be 9, 6 and 3. This is our answer. You may check. 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 1, 3. Understood? Let's do a few more examples. Now I am going to multiply 236 by 23. So for this we require 2, 3 and 6 cards. तो हम अपने cards में से let's remove 1. I require 2, then 3 and after that 6. So here is my 6. See, by one digit we have already understood. Let's understood how to multiply 2-digit number with 3. 236 by 2. 236 by 3. So let's do it by, I'm going to multiply 3 and these. So 236 and 3. So this is my column for this. Let's add them. 8, 9 plus 1, 10 and 1 year, 7. That's it. So we'll write here, when 236 multiplied by 23, what we will get? 807. Let's move on to the next one. Now 236 by 2. Let's move up. Erase these. So let's do the sum. 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 0 plus 4, 4. 2, 7, 4. 8, 2, 14, 5. So what is the answer? 5, 4, 2, 8. I hope you have understood how to do the calculation. Same way we are going to multiply with the 3-digit number. 3 digit by 3 digit, 2 digit by 3 digit. Okay. So अभी करते हैं बहुत बड़ा calculation, means 5-digit number लेते हैं. So 5-digit number. Let's take 5, 1, 2, 6, 3. Let's multiply with 2 digit. Okay, 2 digit. Let us see. So let's see the cards. I required 5. थोड़ा स्पेस कर देते हैं. 2, 3, 6 हमारे ये है. 5, 1, 2, 6, 3. Right? 5, 1, 2, 6, 3. 5, 1, 2, 6, 3. Let's multiply by 3 first. So let's have a look on 3. Yeah. Right. So let's find out. Let's do addition. 9, 0 plus 8, 8, 1 plus 6, 7, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 5, 5 and 1. So let us write down. When it is multiplied by 3, the result is 1, 5, 3, 7, 8, 9. Now let us multiply this whole number by 2. So let's shift up and erase this. Students, this is a very easy method to do calculation. Okay, let's multiply by 2. So the result is 6, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 4, 5, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 and 1. So let us write down this number here. 6, 2, 5, 2, 0, 1. Let's do the calculation. Sum up. 9711. You may check your answer. I'll repeat. 9, 14, carry 10, 1, 8 and 1, 9, then 7, 1, 1. Yes. Now you may check with the help of calculator or by your own calculation, you may check the answer. So this is the way how you are going to find out the calculation. Multiplication of any numbers by 2 digit, 3 digit or 5 digit. So enjoy the activity. So I hope you have understood how to do this activity, how to prepare a multiplication calculator. I request you to prepare a 2 or 3 minutes video and forward it on my personal number. And do it sincerely because it will enhance your capability of doing work. So till then, we'll meet on next activity. Bye bye.